and welcome to Finextra. I'm Thea George and I'm here with Diane Reyes from HSBC. We're at Cybos 2016 in Geneva and we're talking about innovation in transaction banking. Diane, thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
Cybos has become the recognized venue to discuss innovation in transaction banking. What do you think are the key and most promising areas of innovation from your perspective?
So HSBC's approach to innovation to make sure it is really promising is to focus on commercially viable solutions that our customers really need. And we simply put that into three terms: simple, faster, better banking. And let me give you one specific example. The mobile app has sort of been around for a while, but the trajectory and the ramp up has increased significantly. And a lot of that has to do with tweaks that we've made to our product to ensure usage is in fact there and that it's easy. We have seen $100 billion of flow since we developed this application, and including the single largest transaction, over $1 billion. So I think the point is that the wholesale customers experience the mobile app in the same manner as they'd like to experience it in their consumer lives. And it's really happening. We have 76,000 users, and in the last 18 months alone, we've seen the usage double. So that's really, we tie it to commercial needs. And one other area we find is customers are looking to find ways to use the mobile app to expand to other horizons and other borders so they can grow their company. So we are developing applications that allow them, for example, to pay employees in multiple countries and multiple currencies, to find new suppliers to help their supply cycle and maybe more efficiencies, and then finally, even on the customer side, find more customers abroad through the mobile app.
So what do you think are some of the challenges for transaction banks when it comes to innovating, and how are you tackling those?
I think we have a couple of challenges. The first is the speed to market. We have a lot of legacy infrastructure and investment and a large regulatory agenda. So we tend to look at what's out there from the innovation side and from the fintechs to see if they can get us to market in a quicker manner. They can help solve that problem for us, if you will. And at the same time, we have to balance, and this is a second challenge, balance the regulatory compliance agenda, which does in fact require us to invest and make system changes. As you know, many central banks are coming up with new payment mechanisms, faster, smarter, instant payments, and we need to comply with that as well. So it's sort of a double-edged sword. We have to be faster and more agile, but ensure we're current and compliant.
Would you agree that the relationship between transaction banks and fintechs is moving from competitive to more collaborative?
I definitely would agree with that. Even at Cybos alone, I have seen how we work together with each other, and we've adjusted our styles. I think the fintechs have become more appreciative of what large financial institutions are going through, and we've become appreciative of what they can do for us. And I believe that the true solution is the collaboration between the two of us, because a fintech may have a component solution that's excellent and fits in well, but we need to offer the customer the end-to-end solution, and oftentimes we have to integrate their product in with our current infrastructure. So we have to make sure that we both do this jointly and that it's a viable end-to-end offering. So I definitely would say it's much more collaborative. So in summary, I think that we need to take advantage of each other's strengths. The fintechs are agile, they have great development capability, and they have great speed to market. And the banks are very knowledgeable, have a large customer footprint, huge market presence, and very important, our compliance and regulatory expertise.
Diane, thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.